Hey everyone, welcome to Sounds of Spring, Episode 3 by Released Outdoors. On this episode, we're going to take a step back to earlier in the season where Hank and Huck were chasing a gobbler in Morgan County, Georgia. And stay tuned and you'll see how the episode ends.
March 25th. It's 6:30 and this bird we're hunting has already gobbled once. We came in here extra early this morning to try to get on this creek bottom that he came to yesterday. We're gonna try to get snuggled in here and stay pretty quiet. Hopefully we can intersect him. Like I said, he's already gobbled once. If we'd have got here this morning like we did yesterday, we wouldn't have even heard that gobble. It was just a solo gobble. Hopefully they'll be fired up like they were yesterday and we can get some good footage and maybe lay a bird down for you guys. It's 5 after 7 on March 25th. We've got 3 or 4 different birds gobbling. Dad and I set up on this creek bottom where they came yesterday. We kind of split up, so if they come up here by the field, I should get a shot at them. If they go down on the other side of the creek, Dad should get a shot at them. I don't know how well y'all can hear it. But these birds are absolutely on fire. I mean, every time a crow flies over, they're just hammering. Or even if a big truck drives by with mufflers, they're hammering. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. Man, I hope we'll get to see them. We've completed phase 1 of hearing them. Now phase 2 is phase 2 is seeing them. Phase 3 hopefully is killing one, and then phase 4 is going to Waffle House. All right, folks. There he went. So we've belly crawled into this field. Sorry, I'm out of shape. But that bird's just right down there in those pines. We're gonna try to get set up right here on the edge and see if he'll come up here. Y'all stick with us. Alright, folks. So we've made it to the edge of these pines. That bird is right down there, gobbling pretty good. I've got Dad setting up right there. We're gonna see if we can't get him to come up here and we can get a shot at him. We might do like we did yesterday and I drop back and see if he'll come walking up here for Dad to shoot, but y'all stick with us. Alright folks, it's about 11:15. We were trying to come up with a game plan on what to do the rest of the day, and a bird over to our southwest gobbled. So we moved on him. But he's only gobbled once. But in the meantime, a bird to the northeast has gobbled 2 or 3 times, and it sounds like he's closing the distance.
Morning, folks. It is April 7th today, just after 6 o'clock, about 6:15. Not sure if you can hear it or not, but it's sprinkling a little bit on us this morning. We got a good picture of a longbeard last night on the Spartan Go cameras. We're gonna wait till this rain stops and get out there and try to get after him. Not sure how vocal he'll be this morning or if he'll be with hens, but on the Spartan he was all by himself, so hopefully he'll still be by himself this morning, and then once this rain lets up he'll be wanting some company, and we can give him some soft calls on the Tom teaser, and maybe he'll come looking and we can get some good action for you guys. We'd love to keep our hot streak going. We've already killed a couple birds this year, so maybe we can keep it going this morning. I've been on vacation with the family. We went out to beach in South Carolina. The weather wasn't great, but we had a great time, and that's what really matters. And this is the first chance I've had to go back hunting since getting back from vacation. Had to work a couple days. So even though it's raining, I wasn't going to pass on the opportunity to get out here and try to chase some of these Georgia birds. Y'all stick with us, and hopefully we'll have some good action for you.
All right, folks, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but we got one fired up this morning. That fire truck mixed with the crows, it's got him gobbling good. There he went again. We're sitting over this old field / food plot, sitting in a box stand because it's raining, trying to keep the camera dry. So maybe it'll work to our advantage. Maybe he'll come out here and put on a show for us. And there he went again. He's fired up. I'm gonna get my mask on and get ready. Hopefully he comes this way. Alright, folks, so he just responded to my tree yelp. They're probably gonna stay in the tree a little bit longer this morning. It's 7:30 now. He's gobbled probably a couple dozen times. I've called twice. The first time he gobbled later, but I don't think it was to my call. But this time, I'm pretty sure he gobbled to my call because no crows or anything went by that would have made him shock gobble. So he knows I'm here. I'm hoping he'll work his way this way. If he goes away from, there he went again. If he works away from me, I've got a couple plans of attack on where to go. One of them is if he goes straight away from me, I'm gonna move in right up under his roost. If he swings to my left or to my right, I have a pretty good idea of where he's going. There's old strut zone a couple 100 yards behind me. So I'll probably try to sneak back there and intercept him going there. So I've got a couple plans, so we'll see how it unfolds. Hopefully it'll work this way. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. There he is. There he is. Yeah, baby. Yeah. April 7th, baby. We did it. Well, folks, here he is, laying in these beautiful Georgia pines. I'm going to check out his other spur. I think this is the bird that we had those trail camera pictures of. Oh yeah, he's got matching hooks, folks. And again, I'm not real good at guessing birds' ages or
beard length or spur length. I just know this is a good one. It's the first one that I've ever killed that had those ivory tips like that, so that's awesome. And I just want to, I'm not sure how good the footage was because I'm out here self-filming today, and I wasn't about to let this sneaky joker slip past me and get in these pines and make a hard shot even more difficult. Luckily he stepped out right here in this row and gave me a perfect shot. As soon as he stuck his neck out past these pines, I let him have it. So just bear with me on the footage. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. Hey folks, so as you can see, we were very successful this morning, and following true to tradition, we've got the old iced honey bun. As y'all saw, my dad showed you, tradition in our family for as long as I can remember has been you can't eat your first honey bun of the year until you've killed your first turkey of the year. So this morning we're enjoying this honey bun and just thankful for this bird and for the opportunity we have to hunt and chase these incredible animals. I just can't be more thankful, and just thank y'all for watching. Well folks, just to kind of recap the hunt, today is April 7th. Tomorrow is my birthday, April 8th. I'll be 34 years old. This is the first bird I've killed in 2 years. I got skunked last year, and this joker just read the script perfectly this morning. It's overcast and rainy, as you can see, and so I debated not even coming this morning. But thank goodness for those Spartan cameras. I got a picture text to me at 7:22 last night, and this bird was right up here in these hardwoods, just feeding around on acorns and whatnot. And I knew if he was up there last night, he's going to be roosted right here in this hardwood ridge. And so what I did is I slipped through here because I knew the fields are to the east. And so as y'all saw, I got in that box stand and I just kind of was waiting him out, planning to just wait him out and see what I needed to do. I gave him a couple soft tree yelps. The first time he didn't answer. That next time I was pretty confident he responded to me, and it wasn't probably 10 minutes later I caught him. I saw his head bobbing on the edge of that field, and he came right up there to me. He had me pegged, and luckily I was able to be still and get the beat on his head and make a good enough shot where we made it count this morning. Again, thank you so much, Lord. Thank you to my family, especially my wife and my kids. I couldn't do this without any of y'all, and it just means the world to me. So thank y'all so much, and thank you for watching Released Outdoors.